Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I done a really quick curl and half up. This is literally my go-to style if I don't have much time to get ready and I want something a wee bit more fun, or great for second or third day hair when you don't really want it all up but you want something different. So watch on by and give me a wee thumbs up and a wee subscribe if you like what you seen. Bye! So I started brushing out my hair and then I sprayed it liberally with the GHD curl hold spray. Started my sections as usual, started at the back to curl. If you see here, I'm curling, but I'm not actually curling the ends, I'm kind of letting go of the straighteners. So these are the platinum straighteners that I'm using. I love them. I think they're amazing for the hair. Here you'll get a better idea of the way that I do the curls here. So I take a thicker section and whenever I'm sliding it in, generally I'm going away from the hair, like away from the face whenever I'm doing it. So I curl like normal and then sort of stop for the bottom inch or so, and it kind of looks like a ribbon. Not the most attractive curl whenever you're doing it, but I let it set in this shape until I have the whole head done. Probably one of the best tricks is just take your time whenever you're doing your curls. Keep your sections nice and neat-ish, and whenever you're doing the likes of these curls, it doesn't really matter if they're uniform or not, so it doesn't matter if your sections are all the same size, but the one thing is to keep them neat, and that way you're not getting bits of hair from one section into the other and it's not gonna get all mixed up. Whenever I'm doing a style like this, or most curly styles, I actually do the curls at the front that wee bit tighter, just because if you're anything like me, they are the little bits of hair that you'll be touching and playing with before you actually go anywhere. So I just like to give them an extra chance, so do them that wee bit tighter, that if they do fall out, they're actually going to blend in a wee bit better with the rest of the hair instead of actually falling flat. So here you can see I'm actually bringing the hair up and I am curling it, but I'm actually adding a wee bit of volume into it because this is the bit that is going to be up. I still want the ends to have a wee bit of a curl, because if they have that curl, they'll actually behave a wee bit better for me whenever they're styled. So all the hair is curled and I give it a little spray with the Matrix styling hairspray. Just give it a wee ruffle to loosen it up. So this actually softens all the curls, gives it a nicer look. and then I'm giving the top a wee bit of a back comb, just because I think my hair is quite flat whenever I don't have a lot of back combing or a lot of styling products in it. So I think sometimes it sits quite flat and looks a bit greasy, so this is why I back comb them. So here I'm actually going to take my section for the top half of the hair to put up. Pretty simple. I start off just in front of my ear and I go up to a point kind of at the crown of my hair. Depends if I want it to be a wee bit higher or a wee bit lower. So this is where I generally bring them up to meet each other. This is when I couldn't actually decide, did I want to put it in a bun or did I want it in a ponytail. So smooth it out, give the ends a good wee brush with my wee trusty Denman and pop it in the little bobble. Then I took a wee tiny section of hair from the back and I literally just wrapped this around the bobble. Whenever it's a style like this, I actually hate seeing a bobble, so tidy it up, wee bit of hairspray to give it a grip, and I pin it in. And that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching my wee mini quick how-to video, and if you enjoyed, I'd like you to give me a wee thumbs up and a subscribe. Until next time, bye!